Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy God Saying Digital, and I'm here with a little short and sweet and simple video about the types of stocks. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta educate yourself on the types of stocks before you get into this market. Okay, what are stocks? A stock is an equity or security that represents the ownership of a business or corporation. Units of a stock are called shares, which entitles the owner to a proportion of the corporation assets. So what do that mean? So if you buy a stock, like you buy one stock, that means you own one share of the company. So you buy a stock at AT&T, you are a partial owner of AT&T. You own one share of it. You know what I'm saying? So let's get into it though. You know the types of stocks. See, the first type of stock is a common stock. You know what I'm saying? Common stocks are shares of a company on the stock exchange. You know what I'm saying? You could find the common stocks through the brokers, and they have tickers, ticker symbols. And the ticker symbols is like a dollar sign and then, a letter. Like, for example, you got AT&T. We got dollar sign T. That's how you find AT&T on the broker. Apple, dollar sign AAPL. Then we got, Facebook and so on, you know what I'm saying? And then shit, let's get into the second type of stock. We got dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are companies that pay their shareholders with leftover cash, like companies, after they, after taxes or whatever, after they the bottom line, they pay their employees, they pay everything, pay the expenses. With the leftover cash they have, some companies invest back into the company, or they buy back stocks, or some companies give out dividends to their shareholders. And like if you invest in in dividend stocks, that's good for passive income. Like if you got 1,000 shares, that could pay your phone bill, pay whatever over time, and you could build that up. And, examples of dividend stocks is AT&T, Coca-Cola, Verizon, and Altria Group. You know what I'm saying? And this company right here, they own cigarettes. And Verizon, cell phone company, Coca-Cola is a drink, a beverage. Next up, we got REITs. What are REITs? REITs are real estate investment trusts. REITs are companies that own or finance real estate properties. REITs are great for building passive income over time. So what are REITs like? REITs are basically like it's a stock, but it's a company that invests or own real estate and they pay you monthly. So like it's stocks that's own malls and apartment complexes and houses. And instead of investing in houses or real estate yourself, you can invest in REITs and companies that do real estate and they pay you monthly. And these are the types of companies right here: reality income, public storage, and just a list, just examples of them. You know what I'm saying? Last but not least, we got ETFs, which stands for Exchange Traded Funds. ETFs are a collection of stocks in a fund. Investing in ETFs lower your risk and diverse your portfolio at the same time. ETFs are the safest funds to invest in because you can own 100 plus company at once. And the examples of ETFs is SPY, which reflects the S&P 500, QQQ, and the Vanguard 500. So let me break this down to you. Give me 1 second. Okay. This is the SPY. The SPY is going for $395.75. So you buy one share for $300.75. You own a list of all these stocks. You own all of these by owning this one stock, which is an ETF. So you own Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, so on and so on. It's 500 companies, and there's different types of ETFs. This SPY. You got QQQ. It's 100 stocks in that fund. VOO. I think it's 500 in the Vanguard. So yeah, that's why people say invest in ETFs. Because it's safer. It's not it's not as risky as owning one stock, because if you own one stock, like if you just own Apple, if Apple go down, that means your whole portfolio go down. But if you own a list of all these stocks, if one go down, another company gonna hold your portfolio up, So you always gotta diversify your portfolio. So man, yeah, man, that's the types of stocks right there. You know, look, man, you enjoyed this video right here, man. Like, subscribe, comment, man. Let me know what type of stocks you invested in, or let me know what you learned from this video, man. And it's your boy, God Said Digital. I'm out.